mates, we have a 30 horsepower here, compressor which is 22 kilowatts. This is a VFD machine. When we talk about the VFD, refer to variable speed drive, or sometimes when we talk about VFD, variable frequency drive. They all means the same. And this is working pressure 8 bar, can generate 3.5 cubic meter air output per minute. This machine is 95 times 90 times 110, and the total weight is 360. So if also we have another option, 50 horsepower one available, ready for shipment. If you are interested, just drop me a line or log to my blog at chinacompressor.org. Thank you.